Revolutionary bladeless wind turbine. Silent, efficient, and bird-friendly. Imagine a world where clean energy is both quiet and efficient, without the roar of spinning blades or the hassle of bulky structures. Meet the revolutionary answer to traditional wind turbines. Bladeless towers that harness power through vibration instead of rotation. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality being shaped by a Spanish startup called Vortex Bladeless. Their innovation could redefine how we generate electricity, especially for spaces where conventional turbines fall short. But here's where it gets controversial. While most people focus on the noise and size of traditional turbines, this new design tackles those issues head-on. How? By leveraging a phenomenon called vorticity. When wind flows around the cylindrical tower, it creates controlled eddies that cause the structure to vibrate. These vibrations are then converted into electricity, a process that requires no rotating parts, no blades, and minimal space. Let's break it down. Vortex Bladeless technology isn't just a theoretical concept. It's already working in light winds, starting at 3 meters per second, which is common in cities and rural areas. That means it can operate where traditional turbines would never spin. And the best part? It's 45% cheaper per watt than conventional systems. That's not just a number. It's a game changer for affordability and accessibility. The Vortex Bladeless system also solves the environmental trade-offs of traditional turbines. No rotating blades mean no constant noise. It emits sounds below 20 Hz, imperceptible to humans. No exposed parts mean no risk to birds or bats. Plus, its lightweight design, just 15 kilograms, and weatherproof construction make it easy to install and maintain. Internal magnets even reduce friction, cutting down on wear and repair costs. It's like the kind of tech we didn't know we needed. Our technology fills gaps where traditional wind farms aren't practical, says David Yanez, co-founder of Vortex. But even though it currently generates 30% less power than a standard turbine, the focus isn't on raw output. It's on versatility. These towers are ideal for small-scale applications, from powering sensors to reducing bills for households. Take a closer look at the 3 models. Vortex Nano, a 1-meter-tall, 3-watt unit, perfect for pairing with solar panels to power off-grid devices. Vortex Tacoma, a 2.75-meter-tall, 100-watt model, suited for homes and small businesses, already in use in rural areas. Vortex Grand Atlantis, a 9 to 13-meter-tall, 1-kilowatt powerhouse, capable of meeting the energy needs of homes or small factories. What's impressive is how these towers can fit into almost any environment. NGOs have already adopted the Nano model for conservation zones because it's bird-friendly and unobtrusive. And the future? Vortex plans to adapt it for offshore use, where installation and maintenance costs are lower than traditional turbines. Imagine a world where wind energy is as accessible as solar, quiet, efficient, and decentralized. Now, here's a thought. What if this technology combined with the Skybrader, a device generating 30% more energy than wind turbines, could revolutionize urban energy solutions? The possibilities are endless. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments, because the future of clean energy is still being written. Windstrument, the future of silent and powerful wind energy. Imagine a world where wind energy is no longer a distant hum, but a silent and efficient powerhouse that can be harnessed right in your own backyard. Welcome to the future of wind power, where the Windstrument is revolutionizing the way we think about renewable energy. This futuristic, silent, and far more powerful wind energy generator is not only a game changer for the environment, but also a viable solution for suburban and urban spaces. The Windstrument, created by Unified Energies International, features a sleek conical helicoid blade that utilizes sail technology, making it an effective and silent solution for harnessing wind power. But what really sets it apart is its ability to coexist with local wildlife, particularly birds. Unlike traditional wind turbines, which have been known to pose a threat to bird populations, the Windstrument has undergone rigorous testing in highly bird-populated wetlands. With no reported harm to birds over a 2-year period, this is a significant breakthrough, and one that could have a major impact on the way we approach wind energy. So why will the Windstrument be appreciated by all? For starters, it's designed to be a great addition to smaller-scale wind energy systems, making it an ideal solution for homeowners looking to reduce their electricity bills. Although the initial investment may be hefty, the long-term savings are well worth it. As a modular system, the Windstrument allows homeowners to start small and gradually increase their turbine investment as their budget grows. But here's the best part. The Windstrument is almost effortless to install, and its compact size means that local zoning requirements are often met with fewer neighborhood restrictions. This makes it an attractive option for those who want to make a positive impact on the environment without breaking the bank. The future of wind generation is indeed scalable, and the Windstrument is leading the charge. With its compact and quiet design, neighborhoods and homes can now choose this wind energy generation method and even pair it with solar panels to optimize energy generation. But as the demand for Windstruments increases, manufacturers will need to up their game in terms of production potential to meet the growing demand for cleaner energy generation. As we look to the future, it's clear that the Windstrument is a beneficial home wind system that's not only gaining attention for its attractive design, but also for its ability to provide a quiet and efficient solution for renewable energy. And this is the part most people miss. The Windstrument is not just a viable alternative to traditional wind turbines, but also a potential game changer for the entire energy industry. But what do you think? Is the Windstrument the future of wind energy, or is it just a fleeting trend? Share your thoughts in the comments below. As we continue to explore the world of renewable energy, it's essential to consider all the options, including other innovative solutions like the Windspire, a vertical turbine that's been known to beat solar power with shocking results. The debate is on. What's the best way to harness renewable energy, and how can we make it more accessible to everyone? Revolutionary bladeless wind turbine, the future of clean energy. Imagine a world where wind energy is harnessed without the familiar whirring of blades or the risk of bird collisions. This is the promise of the bladeless wind turbine, a revolutionary innovation that could transform how we generate clean, sustainable power. As the global demand for renewable energy solutions surges, so does the need for innovative technologies that can meet this demand efficiently and safely. The bladeless wind turbine. Developed by the Spanish startup Vortex Bladeless, https://vortexbladeless.com, is poised to do just that. But here's where it gets controversial. Traditional wind turbines, with their massive spinning blades, have been the cornerstone of wind energy generation for decades. However, these turbines come with a set of challenges: noise pollution, bird collisions, and high maintenance costs. The bladeless turbine, on the other hand, operates on a completely different principle, one that addresses these issues head-on. Instead of relying on spinning blades, the bladeless turbine utilizes a natural phenomenon known as vortex shedding. This occurs when wind causes a cylindrical structure to sway back and forth. This oscillating motion is then captured and converted into electricity. Picture a tall, slender structure that vibrates with the wind, generating power without the need for any moving parts like blades, gears, or lubricants. It's a concept that's both simple and ingenious. The bladeless turbine brings several key advantages to the table, especially when compared to traditional wind turbines. 1. Silent operation. One of the standout features of the bladeless turbine is its quiet operation. Unlike conventional turbines, which generate noise from their rapidly spinning blades, the bladeless design produces almost no sound. This makes it an ideal solution for urban areas, where noise pollution is a significant concern. Imagine living in a city where the hum of wind turbines doesn't disrupt the peace and quiet of your neighborhood. 2. Bird-safe technology. Another major benefit is its safety for wildlife, particularly birds. Traditional wind turbines, with their large, fast-moving blades, pose a deadly risk to birds. In contrast, the bladeless turbine's gentle, oscillating motion means birds can safely fly around it without the risk of collision. This is a game changer for areas with high bird populations, ensuring that our